Knowledge is power. We've covered a lot of elements in this course, ranging from creating content, keyword research, on-page SEO, link building, and much, much more. Some of you might find it a little bit overwhelming, which I must admit, there is quite a bit to take in. However, when you do take it in and action what we've covered, you can be certain that you're doing the right things to get your website going in the right direction, which is obviously higher up in Google. As we're now towards the end of the course, I can say with confidence that you now know way more than a majority of so-called SEO experts. Most SEO experts won't have a clue about internal linking or even how to build backlinks that actually rank websites. You are now armed, equipped and ready to dominate Google for your keywords, and I believe you will do it. It's all about putting these things into action, as that's where the real magic happens. The fact you're watching this course and invested this time into learning SEO proves to me and both of you that you're willing to put the work in that's required to get to page 1. Let's head over to Google now and look at some of the results I managed to generate for ClickSlice and one of my client sites by using the exact strategies you've just learned in this course. You'll see for your own eyes how powerful this knowledge is. So as you can see, I'm now over on Google and I simply typed in the keyword SEO Consultant London. So this is the keyword I'm actually targeting with my agency website, so clickslice.co.uk. And as you can see, ClickSlice is ranking in position 2. So first things first, if you look at the title tag, we can see it's optimized for the keyword. So the keyword is SEO Consultant London. The title tag says SEO Consultant London. I've got the keyword in my URL. If I go into the page as well, you can see I've got it in my H1 tag, which is this part right here. I've got different variations of the keywords and so on and so on. If I look at another keyword, local SEO services London, it's exactly the same thing. ClickSlice is number 1. Title tag, optimized for the keyword. URL, I've got the keyword in there as well. Obviously, all these pages have extremely high backlinks being built to them as well. But just to show you that on-page SEO, the keywords are all there. The page is very nicely optimized. Another keyword, SEO Expert London. If we scroll down below this part here, which is the map pack, you can see we have ClickSlice here in position, I think 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, very well optimized. I've got SEO Expert London. So I've made sure to include the word expert in my title tag, which is just a different variation. If we go and look at one of our client sites now, so a website called Humac Direct, we work with this client at the agency. One of the keywords we're targeting on the Freeview page is the keyword Freeview Box Recorders. So if you go over to Google and type in Freeview Box Recorders, you'll see we have Humac Direct in position 2. Again, title tag is completely optimized for this keyword. We've got Freeview in the URL as well. If we go into the page, we've got all the text up here. What is Freeview? Find the best Freeview box, and so on and so on. And this keyword is an extremely big keyword. We're competing with tons of other big sites such as Argus, Amazon, we've got eBay down there as well. However, we are still outranking them because we're using a very clever and advanced SEO strategy. It's the exact strategy I've showed you in this course. And like I said, knowledge is power. And you now have my step-to-step process that you can utilize to get your website ranked on page 1. So please don't just watch this course, make sure you go out there and take action and actually implement what you've learned, as you'll even surprise yourself.